In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website header transparent for a sleek, modern look. If you're aiming for a design that effortlessly blends with the rest of your site, creating a transparent header is a fantastic choice. This will give your site a more dynamic and immersive feel. Let's dive in and get started on this transformation. First, you'll want to be on the page where you're planning to implement the transparent header. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct page, as this will directly impact the appearance of your header throughout your site. Once you're certain you're on the right page, look for the option to edit. You'll click on Edit to bring up the page's editing interface. Now that you're in editing mode, direct your attention to the header area. This might be a familiar spot if you've customized your site before. Hover your cursor over the header section. You should notice an option that prompts you to Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click on that option. This will open up several options, allowing you to adjust various settings of your site's header. Following this, you'll see an editing panel appear, most likely on the right-hand side of your screen. Your next task is to navigate to the Style tab within this panel. The Style tab is where the magic happens. It contains all the tools and settings you need to modify the appearance of your header. Once you're in the Style tab, look for an option labeled Dynamic. Selecting this will apply a transparent setting to your header, effectively making it see-through against the first section's background. By doing so, your header will seamlessly integrate with the underlying visuals or content of your website's first section. This choice is beneficial if you're aiming for a more immersive experience for your visitors, allowing the content beneath to shine through. And there you have it. Your header is now set to be transparent. This transformation can greatly enhance the overall aesthetic of your site, offering a polished and professional look. It's a simple adjustment, but it makes a significant difference in the user's visual experience. As a quick tip, always preview your changes before finalizing them. This ensures everything looks exactly as you intend, and there are no unexpected surprises. Remember, you can always revert any changes if needed. Also, consider how your header's transparency might affect readability against various backgrounds. Sometimes, adjusting text color or adding a subtle shadow can keep things looking clear and crisp. I hope this instructional guide on creating a transparent header has been helpful. With your new design feature in place, your site will surely stand out with its sleek and modern appeal. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!